You're now tuned in to the Kung Fu Tapes archive. In today's recording, I'm going to do some more basic exercises that I didn't finish this morning before I went out for my daily slavery glory that I push through in society to survive. I do a basic workout every day, but sometimes when I'm in a rush and I've not had enough sleep and I'm also having to rush out, I can only get in what I can in the morning, and I force myself to get the rest in the evening. You have to get the rest in before you can get the rest in. You know what I mean? Get it all in. So first is marble or stops, and my socks are slipping once again. I'm going to take my socks off, hope that my sticky, sweaty feet will just give me a good bit of grip. The angle is low, and so is the stance. A few seconds when I go up because I'm exhausted, it's going to hold that. What more do you want? It's the way a Shaolin rhythm is, you know, they know what it's all about. These are ancient techniques from history, so this is what keeps me fucking strong. Just get in when I can, get out when I can. Meaning I get the workout in, I get all the pain and suffering and weakness out of me. Breath and body as one. Now we're going to do Kung Fu, which is the bow stance. In a moment, hold on. Let's go. Yeah. You go sideways. The tiger gripping hands, the claws and the paws. The cat stance. And this one. And this one. And then we do some squats. Followed by some wider ones. To strengthen the body. Next we'll do some stretching for the kicks, legs. The upper body first. Get some stretching, extra stretches, just very quickly. I've already been doing, I did most of my stretching today. My upper body and lower body. But not everything. And the basics I did do, I really rushed them. Okay, back. Leaning forward. And forward. Stretching. Wider stretch for the legs, spreading the legs slightly. Feet flat on the floor, legs straight, and stretching. Basic exercise. Nice and comfortable. Stretching up, interlocking the fingers and stretching up. In your position comfortably, you work better. Good exercise. Good. In the middle. Stretch it out. A side kick stretch. Just stretching nicely. Rotating hips. Both directions. 2 times. Shoulders. Rotate, neck, up and down, over the shoulder, left and right, leaning to the side, fingers, wrists, careful, pushing out, wrists, with the gooseneck. Back here. This is how we do it. Rotate the wrists. And that's how it's done. So that's done. Swing out, up and back, back, pull that foot back, yes, and stretch the thigh. We're doing this today, a lot of these exercises, I'm just going over them again, okay, pushing with those front kick stretches, in position 1, 2, hard. 2 to the 45 angle from the side, solar plexus, then high. Just stretch it. It strengthens the legs and balance for kicking. With the toes down now, but that was just with the toes pointing pulled back and hitting with the whole sole of the foot. Now we're toes down to the midsection. Mid-level, even though you're kicking to the groin or lower areas in the kicker. Now high, above the head preferably. Stretch it. Knees up to chest, we'll go on like this. Out. Good. Swing the leg back. Very good. It will be very nice. And feel good rest. Do it. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this here, the basic split exercise, after first. Exercising my ankles a little bit, so you're bending carefully on the floor. Be careful with your flexibility and bodily structure, just take care. Stretching it, get a bit of a stretch at different angles, you know. Let's get that stretch. Fist conditioning on the floor here. Feet wider. Just relaxing into a stretch. Relaxing down to the floor. That's how she likes it. Get back into another horse stance. Hold it for a bit. Back stroke. Is good. Good. Another squat. Small stance here. A very narrow, small horse stance. Back. My back's kind of leaning forward. I'm trying to keep my buttocks in a bit. I'm leaning here, trying to sit down into this back stroke. So it's a very small squat horse start with a type of glue. Arms, okay? Nearly finished for this simple exercise. Basic flow. Back just curling like that. Pull it up. Put the back, pull yourself up. Moving in. Pull up. Breathe in. Be comfortable. Make sure you're comfortable. And breathe. Stance work. Boxing with the hands. Find this in karate and kung fu systems. And sink again. We've started. We'll do jumping jacks in a moment. Before we do that, I'm going to show you another quick stretch. Okay, a couple of things. Shaking off and then coming down. Bending the back, squatting like this. Don't forget leaning the back as well, with your hips leaning back as well, okay? Okay, leaning back and all that. Swinging my arms either side of my body now. Hold on. Swinging across my body. Now like this, stretching. Here, to the other side. So a little bit. Getting now jumping jacks. Bringing this up. It's a basic conditioning exercise that you can do every day for your body. You take it every day. I do this every day, taking my time. But I'm doing it quickly now as an extra thing after my long grueling day outside in the world. So doing it again here, so twisting again too, don't forget twisting, calm mind, natural breathing, and then take deep breaths when you can. Anytime, try and get some more breath into your blood system, and into your head, the brain and mind, lungs, and bodily energy. Get the chi, get the breathing. So, twisting. Here, 2, 1, 2. Okay, this way. Up and back. shoulders as well. Very good. Now we do 20 jumping jacks. You can do circular blocks like this or out with the tiger as well. And you can do it in a horse stance, even like a higher one if you want to as well. I'm just doing it standing here for now. Okay. Practice blocking. Make sure you're comfortable when you're standing. Circular motion, blocking. You can come in, step forward, block, and strike with a high hook if you want to. The hip has to turn in on the strike. Okay, here, the body or the jaw coming quite down from here. This comes from the hip. Effective. Now we're going to go with the crane. Also, don't forget the jumping jacks and the back fist also strike. Don't forget also high or low. The back, we do the jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 16, 18, 19, 20. I lost count thinking about stuff. So, okay. Get comfortable. Listen to your body. I'm getting a fidgety ankle, but you know, that's alright. Yeah. More of that horse stance if you want as well. Sinking into it, you know. Get stronger. Stronger. Just think of that horse stance. Power. Over again. To the basic Kung Fu training. Double palms. This side. Make sure you're comfortable. There you go. From the hips here. From the shoulders. Slow. Breathing. I'm breathing naturally. Okay. Thanks for watching. Train hard and stay safe. This has been another production brought to you from a special place, the Kung Fu Tapes Archive. Peace. Train hard every day. Keep it real.